Hello guys, this is Prime Concept. In this video, we want to still consider our concept of projectile motion. We are looking at the terms that are discussed or described in projectile motion. We've considered two important terms. We've considered the time of flight. We have considered the horizontal range. In this video, we want to look at the maximum height attained by a projectile. So let's quickly dive into the concept. Now, what is maximum height? Maximum height is the highest vertical distance attained by a projectile. So this is the highest vertical distance attained by the projectile. Highest vertical distance attained by the projectile. So you note that it is a vertical distance. That is what we call maximum height. Say we draw our diagram for projectile like this. If we draw this way, you'll see that this is the highest point, right? So, and this highest point, the distance, is what we call maximum height. Maximum height. And we pointed out something very important in our introduction or in our introductory video, that at the maximum height, the vertical component of final velocity is what? 0. So this is very important. At maximum height, Vx is not 0. Rather, Vy is what? 0. Exam will drop all these things like your JAMB, your WAEC, your NECO, your JPED, NEET, G exam, IGCSE exam, and so on. So take note that at maximum height, you don't say final velocity is 0. Rather, you say final vertical velocity is what? 0. So thank you. Now let's move on. How do we calculate the maximum height attained by a projectile? We're going to do the derivation because this would also be required in your exam, your WAEC. Now, if you recall, one of the equations of motion says that v squared is equal to u squared plus what now? 2gh, or say 2gs. Now, since we are talking about upward vertical movement, we're going to consider the sign to be what? Negative. Going up, you're projecting up. So now, using what we have known, we are considering vertical motion, which is independent of horizontal. So it means strictly, I'm going to replace this with Vy, replace this with Uy, since we are considering vertical motion up, thrown up, maximum height, right? Now, we also already noted that at the maximum height, Vy is 0. So at maximum height, Vy, vertical component of final velocity, is 0. So I can replace this with 0. I would have 0 equals Uy squared minus 2gh. If I bring this to this side, I would have 2gh equals Uy squared. If I make h the subject, I'll have that h is Uy squared divided by 2g. Now, if you recall from our introduction, Uy is actually u²sin²θ. So I'll then have that h is, in place of Uy, I would write u sin what? Theta. Then I would say all squared divided by what now? 2g. So that you can still expand that relation. You can still expand that. Now, if you expand it to write it in a more mathematical form, you notice that this square would affect u to have u square. This square would affect sine to give you sine square. So I can say that h is equal to u square sine, I would say square theta, over what now? 2g. So this is the formula we use in calculating maximum height. H equals u square sine square theta over 2g. But I want you to quickly note, that sine square theta, for some persons that don't really understand how to punch this in your calculator, Sine square theta is the same thing as saying sine theta, all what? Square, both are the same. So what it means is when you come across problems under this and you want to evaluate, you just, first of all, you evaluate sine of the angle. Whatever it gives you, you square it. That becomes the answer. That is how to evaluate sine square theta, right? So I believe this is really very clear to you. Now this is the formula we can use to find the maximum height, right? Now very quickly, I want to dive into an example that will help us learn how to use this. So let me drop the question. All right, so let's take this simple explanation to help us understand the concept of maximum height. And the question says a projectile is launched with an initial velocity of 40 meters per second. So u is 40 meters per second. And they said this happens at an angle of 45 degrees to the horizontal, which is okay to us. And the angle theta is 45 degrees. Now I want you to take note that maximum height can occur at any angle. So we are not interested in any special angle. Because some of you would see 45 degrees and jump and say, okay, this is maximum height. Of course, it is maximum height we are dealing with. It can happen at 45, 30, 60, any angle. But this angle is only a special angle when you talk about maximum range. But when you talk about maximum height, there's nothing special about this angle to us. So we just solve our problem. Now they said, find the maximum height. So I'm looking for h, knowing that g is 9.81 meters per second squared. Now from our formula we just derived, you'll notice that h is what? u squared sine squared theta over what? 2g. So that I can find that h becomes 40 squared sine squared, my angle now is 45 degrees, divided by 2 times 9.81. And let's see what this would give us. How do you actually punch this? Say you want to evaluate this. First, what you want to do is to punch sine 45. Whatever it gives you, you square it. That is how to punch that. So sine 45 is 0.707. You square it. You square it. So this times 40 squared. Then I'll divide by 2 times 9.81. So this would give me 40.76 meters. Remember, height is measured in meters, and this is the maximum height that is attained. Now, in my next video, we'll be doing something very important, which is, remember we established that projectile motion is a motion that follows a parabolic path. So in our next video, we want to prove to you how a projectile motion actually follows a what? Parabolic path. So we're going to prove the equation of the trajectory of a projectile. So it's very important that you check out my next video. If you have been watching this channel, I really appreciate your constant engagement and support. If you are yet to subscribe, just hit the subscribe button. This is a way of showing your love and support to this channel, Elochukwu. So do well to share this video with your friends. Tell them it is prime concept. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.